In this video, we're going to talk about osmosis. In this video, you're going to see that osmosis is diffusion. However, it's through a semi-permeable membrane. So in this case, we're going to be talking about water or other liquids that can pass through a semi-permeable membrane. So if you remember from the last video, we have a semi-permeable membrane in the middle of our glass. So what this means is only certain things can pass from one side to the other. And in this case, it'll be water. So our water molecules can move from the right-hand side to the left-hand side, or from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. Now, if we introduce another solute or another substance into this bottle, such as maybe salt, we can see that salt cannot pass to the right-hand side. And therefore, we will not see the area of high concentration of salt, which is on the left-hand side, move to the right-hand side, to the area of low concentration. So in osmosis, because we have this semi-permeable membrane, we are not going to be discussing the movement of salt from high concentration to low concentration. But instead, we're going to discuss water moving from high concentration to low concentration, because only the water can move through that membrane. So what we should see based on what we have in this model is the higher concentration of water on the right-hand side, whereas we have a lower concentration of water on the left-hand side. So let me be more specific. Let's pretend we're looking at the water on the left and right-hand side as percentages. So on the right-hand side, we can say that 100% of this water is water, because that's all there is. So we have 100% water. There's nothing else mixed into it. It's just water. On the left-hand side, we can say that we have less than 100% water. And we can say this because there's salt in the water. So therefore, we have a lower percentage of water on the left-hand side than we do on the right-hand side. So, based on osmosis and the passage of water from an area of high concentration, the right-hand side, to the area of low concentration, the left-hand side, through that semi-permeable membrane, what we should see is the water moving from the right to the left. And once again, this is a passive process, which means it does not need energy and it happens by itself. Again, we should be seeing the water moving from the right-hand side to the left-hand side because the concentration of water on the right-hand side is higher than the concentration of water on the left-hand side. This is only possible because of the semi-permeable membrane.